Afternoon, guys. We are out here in the shop once again, playing with our new fittings from that level air. About to get all this out of here. We have one mocked up, nice braided fitting, and the nice little maroon fittings to match all our parts in here. So plumbed one up just to kind of see how it all goes together and what it's going to look like, and then we might go back and order a couple more fittings so we can spiral them around or do something different. I got plenty of line, so that's what we're doing now, building all these little fittings, adding all the little adapters. So y'all hang out with us. Yeah. So we got one line in the car and mocked up. We have the other three cut for the management anyways. Now we are adding all of our little fittings. We'll unscrew this guy. Get this one put on the end of the line here. Twist that baby all the way down. Space out our little hose a little bit. Start the nipple. Like so. Now I'm going to throw the drag around this baby, set it in the vise. What are you guys up to today? Somebody got to be out there working on something. Anyone? Let's move this around here. We'll lock the bag down. Alright, find that little 10mm right there. I'll put a little piece of tape around the end of this so we don't scratch it up. Tighten her up. Like that. You got another side done. Boom. So do this side like that. Do some other fitting. Take her apart. This side started first. screw that baby on. This one I'm going to back off a little bit and take that tape out of there. Just don't take it all the way back off, because then you got to wrestle getting that tape back out. I mean, getting those braided ends back inside here. So you don't want to take it all the way off, but just back it off enough so that you can take this tape out of here. Without pulling it all the way off. Because again, those fittings are going to be fun getting back on to that end with no tape. And then twist it back tight. Alright, space this end out. We got something hanging out in there to get that out. Let me get a pick. If there's any kind of rubber or anything left in there, you want to make sure you get that out. Otherwise, it's going to be in your air system. So, make sure there's no trash or debris left behind. Straggler. Come on out of there, buddy. There we go. Alright, now we can screw this baby in. Put it in the vise. Snug it up as well. Another little piece of tape. Cut that end up. That way I don't scratch up these brand new pieces. And snug it up. Tape off. Keep everything nice. And just like that, we have line number 2. So throw this on the car, come back and build another. Alright, so we have 2 built and installed. Don't that look a lot better? And it matches with everything else going on in here. Makes me want to black out these compressors, black out this tank. So, 2 lines done, hooked up and set up. Shout out at Level Air. Let's get back over here and finish making some more. Alright, and just like that, there were 3.